In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate molding, which is this piece at the top right here. To start, I need to take off the 8 T30 screws or bolts that hold this piece in. There's 2 here, 2, 2, and 2. Remove this plastic piece, set it aside. Now you can also remove this metal cover, set this aside. And typically you would have one retainer in the middle right there, except for me, someone used some self-tapping screws and reattached this piece on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and get mine out of here, and then we can remove the piece. Also, usually there are clips underneath here that clip into the top of the tailgate. Most likely those are broken, seeing that it moves around like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these out of here. We can take this piece right out. I guess there was one more holding on, but typically you would just want to pry it out. Take your new piece, line up all of these clips with all these holes. Oh, here we go. Now you shouldn't need any other fasteners because obviously the clips that go all along this will hold it in. Now take this panel, slide it back into place, line up all the bolt holes, and for me, I have to put this bed liner back. Now use your T30, tighten up all 8 bolts that hold this piece on. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.